Welcome to the Community Connections Vendor Onboarding tutorial. When you promote your products and services on our powerful multicultural e-commerce platform, you'll be able to scale your brand worldwide. Whether you're just starting out or an established professional, business, or organization, we're here to fulfill all of your e-commerce needs. Your customers will have the power to choose the products they like in different variations, build their own bundles, receive extra items when they make a purchase, and build their own custom products. Unleash your full potential by offering your customers digital products, physical products, appointments, memberships, and paid events. Finally, skyrocket your sales with an affiliate program that rewards you and your affiliates with daily automatic payouts to your bank account. Getting started is easy. Simply select your plan and click subscribe now. Next, enter your information. Your username is for login only and will not be shown on your store. Increase your sales by selecting the drop-down menus and choosing the communities you identify with, so others who support those communities can find you. You can come back and edit this information later on in your vendor dashboard. Fill out as much information as possible to maximize your presence on the e-commerce platform. Now click Proceed to make your payment on our secure payment portal. Enter your payment information and click Subscribe. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your vendor account request. Check your email for your receipt and a welcome message from us. Be sure to check the bulk, junk, and spam folders and whitelist our email to continue receiving important updates. Click on the dashboard link to be taken to your store setup. Once you're on the store setup page, click Let's Go. Upload your store logo, banner, and enter your store name, email, and phone. This information will be shown on your storefront. If you have a physical location, enter it here. Typing in your address will auto-populate your location on the map and will be displayed on your storefront. Now enter your store description. This section should tell your customers what your products and services are all about. Now click Connect with Stripe to receive daily deposits into your bank account. Enter your information, then enter the verification code sent to your phone. Now, enter your business details. The business website is pre-populated with your e-commerce store link. Feel free to change this if you like. Next, enter your business representative information. Enter your payout details. You can choose to have payments sent to your bank account or debit card. Review your details, click Submit, and your payment setup is complete. Next, enter your shipping, refund, and return policies. Enter your customer support information. Enter titles and descriptions for how you want your store to appear on Google, Facebook, and Twitter. Finally, enter your social media links so your customers can find you across the web. Congratulations! You've completed your vendor onboarding. Click Let's Go to the dashboard to view your store manager. Then, click the knowledge base icon in the upper right and watch the vendor products tutorial to learn how to create products and make your store stand out. Welcome to the family.